6 Weather is brought to you by Aztec Chevrolet in Beeville. Visit AztecAutoplex.com. Now, the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Hi, everybody. Welcome back. Here is your Aztec Chevrolet forecast. We start with our one shoreline sky cam. You can see a few breaks in the overcast. We did pick up a little sun today that pushed temperatures into the 80s, except near the water. And we don't have the fog that we did 24 hours ago, and that's good news. We still have a dense fog advisory out for the coastal counties of the coastal bend and the near and offshore water. So not as prevalent as last night as far as the inland areas go. So what's next? Another round of fog tonight, but not as bad as last night. We'll see clouds staying plentiful and warm temperatures. There will be some breaks in the overcast and a little bit of sun here and there. There's a cold front coming on Thursday with a few showers, but not many and not severe. And then mild again by Sunday after a cool down Thursday night, Friday, and Saturday. So a lot happening here. That's what's coming up. Here's why. The visibility is down already to 0 in Rockport, 1 in Port Aransas, but 10 miles inland. Not bad at all. Future tracker shows that we will see fog overnight, and I concur with that, and it's in the forecast anywhere from about 1 to 4 miles by 6 in the morning. So yes, there'll be fog, but again, not as horrible as it was last night and the night before that and the night before that. 18-mile-an-hour winds. That's the reason why the fog won't be as bad. It's keeping the air stirred up. We still have these cool shelf waters here in the upper 50s and low 60s, and very warm air from the central Gulf overriding it. That's why we're getting the sea breeze and pushing that fog inland. And as you can see, the winds are going to be up in the morning at about 10 to 12 miles an hour, and then up around 15 miles an hour. It's going to be rather breezy here tomorrow afternoon. Time we get to Thursday, the winds lay again in the morning and through the afternoon. So Thursday's also going to be a warm day ahead of our cold front that'll be arriving. And look at this, Friday morning, we're going to see temperatures dropping in the 40s with the wind blowing at 25 to 30 miles an hour and gust of 40. That's going to be cold. So find the kids jackets and sweaters, maybe even some gloves and a hat would be worthwhile, especially for the little ones. The wind's going to blow all day here on Friday, so a miserable end to our work week. Here's the evening forecast. Short term, we'll drop from the 70s into the upper 60s, but with the breezy conditions, we won't drop a lot more. Here comes the front. This will move through, and then the colder air will dump in behind it. We've changed our lows and highs on the map. I think they look a little more attractive, and you can see the highs and low pressure systems, and that's what generates the wind and the clearing conditions across the region. We need one of those big highs right over us, sinking air. Cold to the north, warm in the south. We're in the south. That's with this strong Pacific flow, and there it is on the jet stream pattern. So that's going to hold. Mild now. Here comes the cold air with the frontal system on Thursday evening with a few showers preceding it. It gets chilly. By the time we get to Friday, though, it stays chilly. On Sunday, the mild air starts to return. Your NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast looks like this. 67 tonight with fog, and again tomorrow night. 81 tomorrow, 78 on Thursday. Going to be warm. 51 for the high Friday with showers. 57 on Saturday. Lows will be in the 40s. Then it warms up again Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So a little bit of this and a little bit of that. But no freezing temperatures. People keep asking. I don't think it's going to happen.
Good. Glad to hear that. Thank you very much, Dale.